Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another Love Bite. A mini read to check to see what messages are going to be there for you today, Pisces. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. And thank you all my subscribers as well for being here and supporting the channel. I'm very grateful. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Pisces, the Four of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands are the cards on my table, with the Seven of Cups in reverse, the Queen of Swords in reverse, and the Three of Swords. All right. The Strength card, Five of Wands, and the Emperor. Okay, so luck is on your side though. Things are moving as they're supposed to. Though I do see a Queen of Swords here, center of my spread, who doesn't trust anymore. They have trust issues, they're angry, they're upset. Maybe they had hopes of, finding stability with somebody, but now feeling left out and abandoned in the cold because somebody is very immature behavior, not wanting to commit, maybe be in and out. So there's a bit of heartbreak here. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Pisces. Then I'll clarify all these cards. If you guys had to say something to each other, Pisces and their person, Spirit, what would that be? Pisces and their person, if they had to say something to each other now. Let's take a few from here. Pisces and their person. Okay. And let's take a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. Okay. Good to go. Let's start our reading. First card here says, Pisces, I get so frustrated when you're on your phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so very disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. We are spending precious time together. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Always feeling neglected in the connection, because somebody is being very immature. Okay, let's see the second card. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? Enough of divine timing already. Didn't I just say that? Somebody's waiting for the right time, but somebody's getting a bit frustrated here to say enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down yet. See, that's what I said. This Knight of Wands is a kind of a player who doesn't like to settle down, likes to keep it shaking and moving. And that's been the issue here, and that's the reason of this heartbreak and distrust that this feminine has now. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we can have a romantic and sexual relationship. So this feminine is saying that just sex will not cut it for me. I need to know that we are stable and together, and we're building something for our future now, not just, a roll in the hay here and there. I know that it's our destiny to marry and have children together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important to this world. It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. I think this is the Queen of Swords saying that if you're not going to make a decision, if you're always going to keep me in confusion, then I'm going to make the decision for you. And even though it hurts me very badly, I have these swords plunged in my heart as I say that, I think it's time for us to go our separate ways now. You're all I desire. So, but lust is not enough, right? Need more than that to make a connection. So let's start clarifying these cards, Pisces. Let's see how we're going to end up here. And before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Healthful. Somebody needs to take care of their emotional health. At least that's how I'm feeling right now. There is a bit of bad emotions going on. I have an emperor in reverse as well, right? So this is again a very dictatorial kind of a person. And this Queen of Swords is going through her own tension. It's time to take care of your health because your emotions can affect your physical well-being as well, Pisces. So be very mindful. Don't get too sucked into this heartbreak if you're going through it right now. So let's see what's happening. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. Four of Wands with the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody was looking forward to this happily ever after. But I think a decision was made. They wanted somebody to make a decision. They wanted to have victory in this connection. But I have a feeling things came to a kind of a stagnancy or an ending here, which made somebody feel totally left out and abandoned by their partner. Yes, maybe this masculine was too busy with their other things. Maybe they had work to do, or they had projects to do, or travel to do. Maybe they liked getting attention from other people, and they didn't make a decision and made this feminine feel neglected. Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Yes, there could have been some secrets came out. Maybe something was revealed about this player energy. Maybe things about them having another person on the side or seeing somebody else. Whatever truth was revealed made this feminine get very upset and angry, and they made a decision. They made a decision that if you're not going to work on this connection, then I'm going to make that decision for you, and I'm going to pull back my love. I'm not going to give you my love anymore. What's this Chariot, Spirit, with the Queen of Swords? There was so much love here. Yes, there was so much love. Somebody really wanted this connection to move forward. They felt this is a soulmate bond. It's a very good connection. But because of somebody's selfish behavior, greed, there was a tower moment. And now this queen doesn't trust this connection anymore. Heartbreak. Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Yeah, somebody is called judgment on this person for being a dictator, for being selfish, for being a false emperor in their life, for always kind of putting them down, always wanting their way. And even though the attraction was there, the sexual attraction was there, they felt this person was never stepping up to the plate to take control, to take charge of this connection the way they wanted it. Right? So, strength. Somebody is trying to hold back now. Somebody is trying to hold back, step back maybe from the passion that they feel and try and bring some stagnancy to this connection. They want to now end this burden that they're carrying on their heart about the fight, end this regret and sorrow that they feel about whatever has been disrupted, and even though the feeling of excitement, passion is still there, somebody is really trying to now get over all this, because they still consider their person to be not stepping up to do the right thing, never bringing clarity, never bringing a stable offer to them. So always hiding emotions, yes. So then what's going to happen, Spirit? Knight of Wands again. Somebody is letting go. Somebody is letting go of all this. They feel the person is still a player, maybe has many other options. And I think this is the feminine who's kind of losing trust now. Wanting to leave all this conflict and go to a calmer place for themselves. They feel, yes, there is a lot of love I feel for this masculine, but if they're always going to turn up to be a player, then it's time that I looked after my own emotional health and release this connection once and for all. But there is this Wheel of Fortune. What is that, Spirit? Is something going to move now? Well, this chapter seems still open. This chapter still seems a bit open, but because this feminine is now kind of found her worth and deciding to take care of themselves and not need this masculine to fulfill them as a human being, I do feel this chapter is not shut yet. Somebody is going to now realize the folly of their mistakes. They're going to realize how foolish they've been, how ungrounded they've behaved in this connection, and who knows, maybe either come forward with a romantic new offer, or Pisces, for some of you, this could be some new love coming towards you as well. For those of you who are not wanting this old person, who's not in your good books right now, it is the feminine doesn't really think highly of them right now. You could be attracting in new love the minute you kind of get your power back, the minute you start being this Queen of Pentacles who's taking care of yourself and, doing the best for yourself and working on your finances. I do see some movement happening in the universe for you, where good luck is on your side with a pure good romantic offer coming your way. Just when you thought all was over, just when you kind of lost your mojo here comes in communication. Again, I'll say this could be somebody coming back from your past, or this could be a new lover who feels you have a past life connection, but this is going to lead to a lot of happiness. So that's all I have for you. Next time we'll see what comes up. Till now, this is it. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.